Like Cassie, I never have time to sew. Like seriously, sewing? I wish I had time to sew. If that sounds like you, let me give you a couple of tips on how you can find time to get more sewing in. One of the things that has really helped me to get more sewing time in is literally going to the bullet journal method. Now there are plenty of videos out there on how to create a bullet journal, and basically it's all about tracking your time and tracking the things that you want to do better in. So as you know, I have my own business and I also go out and teach. So there's a load of things that I have to be doing for my business. There's a lot of things that I need to be doing in order for my personal growth. There's things that I need to be doing at home, like cleaning and cooking. So how do I find time to do all them things as well as getting some enjoyment out of my sewing? I seriously went back to the basics. Obviously this is going to work just for me. There may be different things for you, like say if you're retired and you like to do charity work and like to spend time with your family. So I'm going to show or tell you how I go about it. Basically, I've blocked down all the things I want to do within my whole week. So I have a whole schedule for house cleaning. I do certain things on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on, in order to make my house cleaning a lot more manageable. So I'm not going around like once every 2 weeks like the Tasmanian devil, going round to get the whole house all spritzed up and cleaned up. Everything is basically done a little bit on each day in order to stay on top of things. Like I do one bathroom on one day, another bathroom on another day, and I like to keep things like clean the microwave out like once a month, etc, etc. So that's basically the housework. The housework is all under control and manageable, basically by doing 1 hour of cleaning every single day. So I like to keep up on my personal development when it comes to my sewing. So I like to watch online videos and I like to read books. So I like to allocate a certain amount of time within my week in order to concentrate on my personal development and my growth. There's also my business side of things where I kind of like can't control like when that comes in and then when it goes. Like I have to get it done and get it out. Like if I've got a bag to make, then it's basically I've got to get that order out and done. So that basically supersedes most of the things. So I just like to get that done and out of the way, and so I've got no like orders sitting around to be done. So basically what I'm getting at is time management skills when it comes to spending time in your sewing room and actually getting enjoyment out of the sewing that you're doing. Because basically how can you sit and relax if you know that out there's like a pile of ironing to do, or the house is just complete disaster, there's no supper on the table, and it's literally just good time management. So like the bullet journal method really has worked for me because I can keep my trackers and keep everything up to date and know what's coming and what's going within the month and within the next week and even tomorrow. I know exactly what I'm doing because I've organised my life around this book. So let me know in them comments down below, how do you find the time and stay on top of everything and stay organised and find the time to actually get around and sew things and get enjoyment out of sewing? I would love to hear your comments. Leave them below. And hey, I make sewing videos every single Wednesday, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.